Young Lex.
Your mom was telling me Jaguar makes an SUV.
Oh yeah.
Bentley makes an SUV. Lamborghini's making an SUV.
Get out of here!
Yeah.
A Lamborghini SUV? Oh shit! Yeah, how come you got different wheels for front and back? I was going to ask you that.
Oh yeah. The camber wear on the front, the tires were just shit, so I just swapped them out. I haven't put the backs on yet because I'm lazy.
Okay.
Today's Bimmerfest, boys. Let's do it. What do you think of that, bro?
That's freaking beautiful. I want
butter. Oh my goodness.
The exact thing I want.
Yeah?
Red, but I'll take blue. Oh my god. With the rims and everything.
Dude, he's got the Stop Tech BBK on it. Shit. I bet he's running out at the track today. I wouldn't be surprised.
Oh, I bet.
We're not even at the meet yet and the cars are freaking cherry.
Look at that E46 right there, bro.
Dude, dog. It's a nice freaking day out. Last time it was freaking hot as shit, so it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it's nice and overcast. We're not baking today. We can actually just walk around comfortably. I'm super excited.
What'd you think about the drive in?
It was fun. It was fun.
There were a lot of cars.
Informative too.
That thing's bagged.
Oh shoot. Didn't even know.
All right. I see that.
Surprises.
Oh my goodness.
That's mad.
Look at the kit on that, dude.
No, that's mad.
So much carbon fiber. Oh shit. What is this? Dude, it's got an S14 in it. That's E30 M3 motor. Yo, this is dope, dude. Fucking Targa. Dude, I didn't even know they made those.
Me either, bro.
That's fucking tight.
These are a bunch of those cars. The 5 Series. So they're both extremely
Remember, hashtag Bimmerfest 2018.
That's fucking beautiful, bro.
You like that?
That's so clean.
Dude, it is super clean.
That is close to the original. So nice.
Oh yeah. Just the trim alone.
This is immaculate.
Bro.
Manual Pro. The interior's beautiful.
God damn.
Look at the dash, how clean that shit is, bro.
Fuck, dude. Bro, buy it.
I want it. It's a manual too.
If you guys are ever at Bimmerfest, Heritage Corral is where it's at. Fuck yeah, they got clean cars here. Oh, I love me some E24s, dude. So clean, dude. I want to get one so bad, bro. I would take one over an E28 though.
Really? I'd take an E28 over the 6 Series.
Yeah? Dude.
I would definitely take a 6 Series.
Look at this little wing, bro. That's so sick. Oh my. That's nice. I like that M2 as well. Yeah, he's like, yeah, fuck it, I'm going in the booth, dude.
Welcome to Bimmerfest 2018. Time to head on over there.
Welcome to the main event, Doctor.
Woo! Wanna get some swag?
Elbows down, bro. Elbows down. It's a V10.
Yeah. I wonder what the 18 is.
I don't know, bro. Oh. God damn. God damn. This thing's fucking mad.
It's even turning parts.
Jesus. Jesus. I like the blue and orange, dude. They look nice.
Evolution, Revo, Classic, even Turi, Northwest, North Marina. Those are all the sponsors, dog.
Damn, son. I'm trying to get there, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Look at the touchscreen.
All right.
Cargo seats.
You think my car's low? My car ain't shit. This is low. Dude, I fuck with the color scheme on that thing. Would you daily that?
Huh?
Would you daily that?
Yeah, bro, it'd be my grocery getter. Take
Yeah,
my kids to
dude.
school in it, even though there's only one seat. That was Liberty Walk, bro.
Oh, that's Liberty Walk. All right, all right.
Fuck yeah.
You guys are hungry or not?
Grandpa, no.
You see the smile on
Grandpa,
that
no.
face.
Grandpa, what are you doing?
Saw 2 scoops on that lady's chest. Was like, I'm there.
Dude, come back.
He is so happy. He is not even checking out the car at all.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh yeah, you having
Got a
fun?
puddle. You left some drool puddle.
Wow.
It's happening. It's happening. Yep. I'm already recording. Ain't no picture though.
Oh god.
It's gonna be a straight video. It's gonna be balling. Spitting game. Spitting game.
I don't even want to know what he said. Come on, Grandpa.
This is awesome. This is why we brought him.
I love this.
All right, there we go.
I'll get one
All right,
too.
get one too. Spitting game, bro. Spitting game.
I'm sorry.
Dude, he's on it. He doesn't give a fuck, dude.
I love this.
Dude, this is amazing. All right, let's go, Grandpa. How was that?
Don't show that to your mom.
All right, I won't.
Kill me.
Shit. Don't touch it.
What? I'm just touching the screw. Why can't I touch it? I don't want to touch the car.
Oh, touch the screw? All right, you can touch screws, I guess. Oh shit, that's sick. Yeah, dude.
That's the E39 M5 engine, bro.
Oh yeah, dude.
Jesus.
Dude, I like this. I really like this. It's got a dine and shift kit too. This thing is freaking butter, bro. This thing is sick.
Sick.
It looks good. It's cool.
Yeah, it looks good, but it's not sick.
Okay. It's slang.
Huh?
It's slang.
Slang?
Yeah.
What's slang?
Never
Sick is
mind.
Slang?
Yeah.
Sick meaning good?
Sick, yeah, it means cool, kinda. All right, never mind.
Well, that's sick.
I want you.
There's tires on it.
I could see you rolling around on that.
What?
I could see you driving around in that.
Yeah, but I wouldn't want to leave it in a parking lot.
You don't cut out the inlets.
You don't cut out the scoops.
Got him.
Grandpa,
She just walked into a trap.
you're done.
Game, set, match. Jesus Christ.
Grandpa, you old slayer.
Every single one.
Every single chick at every single booth.
Respect, though.
Getting a dose of Grandpa. Yeah, respect the grind, man. Respect the grind.
Could be literally his granddaughter.
That is, I want that, bro. Look how clean this fucking, dude. It's so fucking clean. It's clean, bro. Is it a 6-speed? It looked like it had a newer shift knob on it.
It's an S54, bro.
What do you mean? How do you know?
Maybe?
Nah. Doctor. Dude. I don't even know what I think about that though. I don't know if I'm okay with that or not okay with that. This thing is sick, dude.
Well, that's sick.
I want you. S54? Dude, I honestly wouldn't be surprised.
I wouldn't tell you the truth, I wouldn't either, but that'd be insane.
There you go. Oh, he's chucking cards, dude.
Oh, it's my BMW.
That E21. Oh, Alex.
BMW, bro.
You have your own website for BMWs?
Do you like my BMW?
Dude, that's
My
so sick.
A-series?
Dude.
That interior.
Is it manual?
That interior. Yeah, bro, check it out.
Yeah, it's manual. Oh, you lied.
Never mind. I'm hanging on the days I like, you know?
You're one of those guys, Alex? Are you one of those
Yeah,
guys?
bro, I put on the sports shift. It's manual that way, right?
Alright. 332 Ti, it's S52 swapped. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Me too.
332, dog. I see this swap a lot.
Yeah, that's true.
318 Ti guys will throw these in there and call them 332s. Too bad the fucking hardware's all rusted to shit. Dude, he's gapping these motherfuckers. Dude, fuck the track. He ain't about it. Oh, Grandpa stepping on gum. There's an Evora. That's fucking sick. F3 cars or some shit, dude? That's freaking dope, dude. Look at that, bro. 6 was trouncing. Oh, he spun out down there. So Bimmerfest was pretty awesome this year. I'm kind of sad that BMW didn't have a heritage booth, so we didn't see any M1 Pro cars or 2002 turbos or any of that stuff. But there's always some sick ass cars here. It was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I will see you guys later.
The external oil cooler, they're digging it. They're digging it, bro.
It's for me, babe. Don't worry about it.
What?
Cat, what the fuck have you done? There are reasons I don't let you go outside my fucking room. Why? What the fuck, Cat? That is like legit a fucking bird. Yo. Cat! What the fuck are you doing? No, don't fuck with it. God damn it. Cat! Not fucking cool, Cat. You shitting me? Are you fucking serious? No. No, let it go outside, you fuck. I'm sorry, I don't like to manhandle you, but you gotta fucking chill. Alright, birdie. Alright, we got the bird. I am literally sitting here editing the video for Bimmerfest and this shit goes down. Are you fucking kidding me, Cat? Not cool.
What?
Guess what's in this box?
A kitty cat?
Who wants to guess what's in this box?
A kitty cat.
A fucking bird.
There's a bird.
There's a bird in this box.
Why?
Because she freaking dragged it into my goddamn room. No, it's fine. It's just freaking the hell out.
Oh, we'll get it out.
Would you? You are not cool. Don't. I will close the window. Be free. Get at it. You're stupid. That's why you got caught. Bitch ass cat. Get back in the room. You're done. You're done. You're done. Oh, you fuck. I love you, but you're a fucking menace.